As we push deeper into April, it's getting easier to maintain the feeders with our ATV. I am Alvaro, and with me this weekend is my father Raul. This weekend, we are maintaining feeders in the middle of Sweden. Raul is a professional hunter and is specialized at managing hunting grounds for big game hunting. While we were coming in with the car, we saw this. All of the trees. For some reason, the deer like the bark of a specific tree of a specific size. And when the deer finds that type of tree, they leave it like this, naked. And if it's a big group of animals, they will literally leave the whole terrain of this type of trees clean, like you can see here. Here we have fallow deer poop.
There's nothing in the front.
Nothing.
So what are the two? Or it's not working, or they are coming to it. Yeah. But it's not wild boar because it will be really all removed like that. That's from the wild boars, you see? Over there?
Yeah.
That's what the wild boars do. But
this is what the wild boars do. On the tar, if it's wild boar, there would be long hairs, and you can measure how big they are by the hairs. Here there are no hairs, so they haven't come. It works.
very big.
Red
like
deer.
This. A little bit.
Fallow deer.
And way smaller.
Roe deer.
Come.
Okay, now we're looking while we're in the car, and we see everywhere.
They've been eating.
We did this last time.
Here you can see very well the system. So simple, you can hang it wherever you want.
We're going to show you today or tomorrow how to do it.
And the lights, quite
so
simple.
For
don't screen so much.
For next weekend, this is what we're going to do.
There, the battery.
Yeah.
And the lights.
Here
so
we have
I'm gonna check
the battery, and we have the lights running down.
As you can see, it's a lot of breaking in small pieces. It's badgers. I think it's badgers.
Yeah.
You see? Or badgers, maybe also a roe deer, a red roe deer. And we are gonna check here because when they left some corn, also the big wild boars.
Yeah, they only eat around.
Yeah. But we are gonna check in the side. I don't think so. But you see,
you can look for hairs, as I told you.
They come here to eat. They pick it up there and they eat. You see the little pieces. So it's something that is quite scary.
Where's the?
Roe deer.
This is feeder O. Okay, so as you saw in the last video, Dad marked all of the the whole way up to the caravan. You see the orange band all the way up to the cabin. Let's close this so nothing enters. Let's get down. When you go with normal shoes outside, you will get them dirty like these now. But that's life. Okay guys, so now
we are gonna check if we can access to one of the or two of the hotels. It was full of snow,
up with the window.
and
Efter måltiden tog
it
han på
was full
samma
of
sätt
snow.
bäver.
And let's see if now we can access to those hotels so we can reload the feeders.
Yeah,
Let's see.
let's hope that we
Let's
can.
hope for the best. This is the caravan that we have here for one of the members, so they can sleep in this area. The gravel road, and he noticed the bumps. Okay, but when he see a road,
You get some crazy.
road deer or a moose. Or this time of the year, the weather is more or less like this. Sometimes sunny, sometimes cloudy. So a little bit of everything.
Really typical to have those red houses. Beautiful. Okay,
Here.
so now what we're gonna do
This
is
the last for today. So come here. I give you the bag.
okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our feeder, which this is feeder G. We're gonna refill it with 50 kilos of
Exactly.
corn.
Ready to rock?
So yeah, give this to me
Okay, this side.
here, and then I'll put it there. Go, leave it, leave it, leave it.
Seems that this one.
So we have the tower over there. You probably can't see it from here. And here we have, it was hard to put on the lights, so we decided to use
A piece of wood.
a piece of wood, put it on with some tape, a lot of tape, as you see.
Okay.
And then we had the
And you
camera over there.
50 kilos, I have it for breakfast every day. Oh, the camera, the cable, that's through there. That little branch. No, so this cannot move from there. It would be better if it's a bit more like this. So now, time to prove it, to test it. It's 4:42. That's 10 minutes, but we are gonna try to redo it again. 4:43 maybe now, and we test it. Whew. You see, only on the floor and on the front.
Part 2 coming next weekend. Thank you for watching and see you in the forest.